Hey guys, Wakas here. So after the iOS 27 update, there are some Safari settings you really need to turn off on your browser. And let me tell you why. So that Safari search you thought was gone? Yeah, it might still show up on your start page, even after you close the tab. Because here's the thing, closing a tab doesn't mean the website actually disappeared. Safari can still show it again on your start page, right alongside links from your messages, your emails, everything. So before you hand your iPhone to anyone or even just open Safari, do this real quick. Okay, open up Safari, then open a new tab. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and tap Edit. Alright, now let's go through these options one by one. First one, Suggestions. So this can show websites you visit a lot, plus links pulled from your messages, mail, calendar, maps, all sorts of apps. And if you don't want all that showing up, turn it off. Personally, yeah, I'm turning this one off. Next, recently closed tabs. So this shows pages you just closed and lets you reopen them easily, which sounds convenient, but if you don't want people seeing what you closed, turn it off. And personally, I'm turning this one off too. Now, one important thing to understand here. Turning off these options only hides these sections from your start page. It does not delete your browsing history and it doesn't close any tabs. It just cleans up what's visible. So keep that in mind. Alright, so tell me down in the comments, are these settings actually as important to you as they are to me? Just write important or not important. I'm curious. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel because honestly, sometimes the most dangerous thing on your iPhone isn't what you left open, it's what you thought you closed and it quietly disappeared.